With your hand in my hand.
Good morning guys, and welcome back to my channel. I have such like a love-hate relationship with the vlogging first thing because I feel like I look so gross, but I always like just turning on the camera as soon as I wake up because it makes me feel inspired, and I know you guys feel inspired by it too. So here I am. You know, I don't look so hot. I went out last night, but I feel really good because literally guys, all I drank was half a margarita, and I'm so proud of myself. That's like my new thing I've been doing lately, like not like drinking to get drunk, but just like drinking to like enjoy myself, if that makes sense. Anyways, if you haven't already, be sure to go check out the video that I just posted. Moving into my new little space here in Hawaii. I am so freaking content here. I'll give you guys a brief overview, but make sure you go check out that video because I kind of show you it more in depth. But I just woke up, I'm having my coffee because you can't do anything without coffee, y'all know that. It is Sunday morning and I didn't really end up unpacking anything yesterday. And by that, I mean I still have my 2 suitcases and just like a bunch of stuff that I need to unpack. And here's my little closet. I need to go get hangers and some cubbies for it. I still haven't unpacked like any of my shower supplies, just like a shampoo and conditioner I bought, but I still have way more stuff to unpack. So I guess that's kind of what this video is gonna consist of. I personally love pack with me / unpack with me videos. I don't know what you guys like, but definitely keep leaving me your video requests because it's definitely helping a lot. Before I do that though, I'm just going to head outside of my balcony and start replying to a bunch of comments that you guys are leaving on my new video. Thank you for all the positive feedback. I really appreciate it. Alright, so it's about 10 o'clock and I actually ended up going to the beach after I had my coffee this morning. I love every morning just going there and being able to lay out for like 30 minutes to an hour and just get some vitamin D on my skin. It feels so good. But I'm back now and I'm gonna go ahead and make myself a little bit of oatmeal, I think, and then I'm gonna go ahead and kind of get to work here. I do need to get a ton of hangers, so I think what I'm gonna do later is walk to Target and get a bunch of hangers, and that's really all I can think of. Oh, and I need a couple cubbies, so I'll probably buy some of those then too. Also, those that are wondering, this top as well as my kimono are both from Zaful. Zaful is literally always coming in clutch with like cute bathing suits, I feel like. I just posted a little Instagram poll and it should still be up by the time you're watching this. So if you have a minute, if you could just go and vote on a couple of the polls I posted, it would really help me out, just because that way I can figure out like what videos I want to prioritize this summer and what time I should upload and all that type of thing, like what type of DIY style you guys prefer. And obviously I'm totally down to do both. I just want to like see like what you guys would rather. Alright, anyways, I am gonna go ahead and look through these suitcases and I'm gonna unpack everything except the clothes, and then I'm gonna figure out like how many hangers I'm gonna need to buy because I don't want to buy too many, especially because I'm gonna have to lug them all the way back here myself. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and I think I just have like some kitchen and bathroom things in here that could probably get unpacked before I leave, so I'm gonna take care of that right now. I ended up actually packing this in my suitcase because I'm so annoying and I decided to pack a bunch of stuff so I wouldn't have to buy it here. But yeah, I'm actually pretty thankful now because it smells so good. It's like the fresh linen, but this thing is so strong, so I'm just going to put it on like the lowest. Okay, so real quick, I need to make some kind of like shopping list because I am so bad when it comes to like remembering stuff I need. Like I will literally go to the store for one thing, then get there and completely forget that I even came there for something. I'll just like be like, oh my gosh, I'm here for fun, and then I'll walk out with like 10 other things except the thing that I came for. I really don't want to get enough stuff to where I have to like call an Uber, you know, because I have so much stuff. Like I want to be able to like carry it all. So I guess I'm just gonna get like the bare minimum. Laundry detergent, I need hangers, cubbies. You guys, okay, so I'm gonna do something later in this vlog, and just don't judge me, but I think I'm gonna use my phone to vlog a little when I go and use like my selfie stick, because I got this thing like years ago, like when selfie sticks just became a thing. And I used it like when I came to Hawaii 2 years ago, and then I never used it after that. But I think it would be so cool to like use this to vlog with, you know. And what's cool about where I live in Honolulu, there's literally so many people in this city that just walk around like with this, like, hello. I think I'm gonna bring this along, and that way I can keep my camera at home, so if the quality is different when I'm in Target, then that's why. Okay, so I just got to Target and I'm doing my shopping right now, but I have to tell you guys this thing that happened while I was on my way here. I just had to share it because it just bothers me. Okay, so I'm standing at a crosswalk, minding my own business, listening to my music. Like, I literally have both headphones in. And you know how when you can just like tell that someone's watching you? So this guy's like standing there next to me, and he's literally just watching, kind of like, he keeps looking at me and then looking away, but I'm just like, I'm jamming to my music, like I'm not talking to him. And all of a sudden, like, he taps me and he's like, are you married? And I'm like, what? And like, he's like, your ring. And I look at my ring, and it's literally like my wedding band finger. It's literally like an elephant ring, you guys, like an elephant. It's not like a diamond, it's not like a band or anything, it's an elephant ring. And I'm like, yeah, I am. You guys know, like, I'm not married whatsoever, but like, come on, guys, like, please, if there's any guys watching this video, like, don't do that to a girl. Like, that makes her feel so incredibly uncomfortable. Even if like I didn't have a boyfriend, which like I do, even if I didn't have a boyfriend, I wouldn't want like random guys hitting on me like that. Like, in my opinion, like, that's not a compliment. Like, approach a girl in a kind way and like make conversation. Don't be like, are you married? But anyways, I'm at Target now. I'm doing my little shopping. I'm just looking at all the dog toys that I wish I could buy for Cleo, but I really can't because she's 4,000 miles away from me. This is like a 2-story Target also, so it's like super duper exciting. Okay, so I'm back. I got some stuff. I'm just gonna show you guys. It's pretty much everything I said I was gonna get, but I did find a couple things that I like needed to pick up in the meantime. So I got 2 packs of hangers. I think this should be enough. I might double up clothes on hangers if I have to, but honestly, my closet is pretty small, so I just don't want to like overcrowd it. I also got 2 of those little storage bins I was talking about, so those are gonna be really cute just to kind of like keep my bikinis and like bras and panties in there. I got some, I always forget what this stuff is called. It's the stuff you use to wash your clothes. I also got some soap for my kitchen and a little eyelash sharpener because I forgot mine at home. And then I also just got some fresh strawberries. My favorite thing to do here is like cut up a bunch of fruit and just take it on the beach and eat it because like it's so hot on the beach, but then when you have like that cold fresh fruit, oh, it's so good. And then I also got a little pack of like wine so I can make myself just a little glass of wine tonight and like kick back and relax on the last night before my internship. So there probably is a much more efficient way of doing this, but basically just unloaded all the clothes in my suitcase, and I'm gonna go ahead and just start hanging them up one by one with these hangers. You guys are gonna be so proud of me. I finally got my shit together, so I got it all organized, and those cubbies were a major plus. So I put one down here, and that has like all my bikinis in there, and then I put my like beach towels, and then up here I put all my bras and underwear. Here's some shorts, and then I have like casual tanks, and then some more like cute tube tops, and then back there I just have like a couple t-shirts and some workout clothes, and then here all my clothes are nice. So this is honestly like all the clothes I ended up bringing. And then I also ended up putting my shoes up in the little shoe thingy that they have here, so that's really cute. I'm kind of regretting not bringing my Converse now that I think about it, but it's okay. I just really need to go get a pair of running shoes because I want to go on jogs, but I'm not gonna run in like these pink stylish like pink shoes, no. Alright, so it's like 4:45 right now, and I had a really cute idea that I would maybe like make some dinner here and walk up the beach and like watch the sunset and just eat by my lonesome self. But honestly, like, I noticed some people that sounds pathetic, and I was reading through the comments of my videos today, and it's either some people are like, how do you like travel alone? Like, aren't you gonna get bored? And then other people are like, oh my gosh, like traveling alone is the best thing ever. And maybe it's just something like you wouldn't understand until you've done it. I live for moments like this when I just run on my own schedule and I don't have anybody else to entertain, and then I can just absolutely please myself. Actually, last night I like went and hung out with a bunch of friends. We went to a nightclub here, and then I've been like FaceTiming friends all day and just like talking to my brother and stuff. So I know, I guess like in the videos it might look kind of like weird that I'm like spending a lot of time alone, but I feel very socialized. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and make some stuff for dinner. It's actually gonna be really easy. I'm just going to like reheat. I made some noodles last night and I made like a little bit too much, so I'm just gonna reheat those, and then I think I'm going to cook some veggies. You guys, stir fry is like my new thing. I don't know what it is, but I've just been craving it non-stop. And then I also chopped up some cucumber, and I'm just gonna put these in like a little plastic baggie and probably like just eat them separately. And then I'm just taking some of this soy sauce and then just doing a little bit like that. Okay guys, so it is literally only 7:15 right now, and I feel like I am so ready to go to bed. So I already took my shower, I watched the sunset, and it's literally like already set and it's only 7 o'clock. But I took my shower and I figured I would just go ahead and end this vlog here because I'm just about to go ahead and edit it so I can get it up for you by tomorrow morning. But before I go, I did just want to give you guys a little bit of an update as to what's going on within the next few days. So tomorrow I start my internship. It's gonna be my first day. I have gotten a ton of questions about like how I got this internship, how to get an internship in general, what I'm gonna be doing and that kind of stuff. So I think I'm just gonna do a whole video on that. But yeah, so I'm definitely gonna do a day in the life tomorrow and just show you guys like how my first day goes and stuff like that. But fingers crossed, wish me luck. Luckily though, my hours are only 9 a.m. till 1 p.m. So I will have like pretty much all day to get other stuff done other than sitting at a desk. As always, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I've been talking to so many of you guys on there today and I am loving it. So if you want to chat, just DM me and we can totally talk. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.